Do you want to speak English more confidently in daily life? Maybe you understand English, but speaking still feels difficult. You pause too much, translate in your head, or feel nervous during conversations. Don't worry. In today's lesson, we'll practice simple daily English conversations together, step by step, naturally, and confidently. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English fluently and naturally, you're in the right place. Let's begin with simple daily English sentences. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. What are your plans for today? I need to study English today. That sounds like a good idea. Hi, it's been a long time. Yes, it really has. How have you been? I've been busy with work and studies. Same here. Are you still practicing English every day? Yes, I'm trying to improve my fluency. That's great. Consistency is important. Absolutely. Many learners ask, how can I speak English fluently? The answer is simple. Speak every day. Even 10 minutes of daily speaking practice can improve your confidence and fluency over time. Here are 3 powerful habits. Number 1, listen to English daily. Number 2, repeat sentences aloud. Number 3, think in English during daily activities. Small habits create big improvement. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud in English. What did you do today? Why do you want to improve your English? How often do you practice speaking? What is difficult for you in English? Great job practicing today. If this lesson helped you improve your spoken English, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing daily, and I'll see you in the next lesson.